What if I told you there's a bird that can't fly but can swim faster than many fish? Penguins are among the most fascinating birds on Earth. They can survive freezing temperatures, dive deep into the ocean, and travel hundreds of miles in search of food. In this video, you'll discover 50 amazing penguin facts that will completely change the way you see these incredible birds. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Penguins are flightless birds that are perfectly adapted for life in the water. Fact number 2. There are 18 recognized species of penguins. Fact number 3. Penguins live mainly in the southern hemisphere. Fact number 4. The emperor penguin is the largest penguin species in the world. Fact number 5. The little blue penguin is the smallest penguin species. Fact number 6. Penguins use their wings as powerful flippers for swimming. Fact number 7. Some penguins can swim at speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. Fact number 8. Penguins can dive hundreds of meters below the ocean's surface. Fact number 9. The emperor penguin can hold its breath for over 20 minutes. Fact number 10. Penguins spend most of their lives in the ocean. Fact number 11. Their black and white feathers provide excellent camouflage in the water. Fact number 12. Penguins eat fish, squid, and krill. Fact number 13. They have excellent underwater vision. Fact number 14. Penguins have waterproof feathers that keep them warm. Fact number 15. A thick layer of fat helps protect penguins from freezing temperatures. Fact number 16. Penguins huddle together to stay warm during extreme cold. Fact number 17. They take turns standing on the outside of the group. Fact number 18. Penguins communicate using unique calls. Fact number 19. Parents can recognize their chicks by their voices. Fact number 20. Most penguins return to the same nesting area every year. Fact number 21. Many penguins build nests using small stones. Fact number 22. Male emperor penguins protect the egg on their feet during winter. Fact number 23. The father keeps the egg warm for about 2 months. Fact number 24. Female penguins return with food after laying the egg. Fact number 25. Penguin chicks are covered with soft down feathers. Fact number 26. Young penguins cannot swim until they grow waterproof feathers. Fact number 27. Penguins shed all their feathers once a year. Fact number 28. This process is called catastrophic molting. Fact number 29. During molting, penguins cannot swim or hunt. Fact number 30. Penguins store extra fat before molting begins. Fact number 31. Some penguins can jump over 6 feet out of the water. Fact number 32. They often slide across ice on their bellies to save energy. Fact number 33. Penguins are highly social birds. Fact number 34. Some colonies contain hundreds of thousands of penguins. Fact number 35. Penguins can drink seawater because of special glands. Fact number 36. These glands remove excess salt from their bodies. Fact number 37. Leopard seals are one of the penguin's main predators. Fact number 38. Orcas also hunt penguins in the ocean. Fact number 39. Penguins have excellent hearing. Fact number 40. They use body movements to communicate with each other. Fact number 41. Some penguins travel hundreds of miles in search of food. Fact number 42. Climate change threatens many penguin species. Fact number 43. Melting sea ice affects their breeding and feeding grounds. Fact number 44. Plastic pollution also harms penguins. Fact number 45. Scientists use penguins to study changes in the marine environment. Fact number 46. The Galapagos penguin is the only penguin species found north of the equator. Fact number 47. Penguins have existed for millions of years. Fact number 48. Ancient penguins were much larger than many living species. Fact number 49. Despite being birds, penguins are among the world's best swimmers. Fact number 50. Penguins are incredible survivors, perfectly adapted to life in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Which penguin fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.